Today, I'm going to be sharing the most profound, short, but profound leadership lesson you need to hear today. So stay tuned. Most of us have been taught to think of leadership as something that concerns a title and being out in front of others, maybe being assertive and the main decision maker, that kind of thing. But definitely assertive, usually a title out in front. And we always think about it when it comes to leading or influencing others, right? You need other people to lead. This is a misunderstanding. And the best way for you to become the best leader you can be is to focus inward and work first on yourself. All of those amazing leadership skills that are within you that want to grow and be developed even further, you have to look within for that. You have to be the best leader possible of yourself. And when you lead yourself well, you will inspire others to do the same. It has to start with yourself. If you can't turn that mirror on yourself and honestly reflect on where you need to improve and how well you're already leading, how you can lead better, you will never be the brilliant leader that you're meant to be. None of us can, because none of us start this journey as perfect, and none of us will end it as perfect either. So you have to recognize that you are divinely imperfect and look for those imperfections, be honest, and lean into improving where you need to improve. That is the top leadership lesson that every single person on this planet needs to embrace. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.